To enable and use one-hand keyboard while in portrait view on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find general management. Tap general management and then tap Samsung keyboard setting. Scroll down the screen. Under style and layout section, tap mode. Under portrait view section, select one hand keyboard. To see how this feature works, open an app where you can type with your keyboard, like when you are texting someone on WhatsApp. You can see that when you hold your phone in portrait view, your phone will automatically use one-hand keyboard. If needed, you can change the keyboard position by tapping the arrow key next to it. You can place the keyboard to the right side for better use when you are a right-hand person, or you can place the keyboard to the left side for a better use when you are a left-hand person. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.